contract.
Heath hit the judge. We're gonna go for national treasures now.
Ugh.
There we go. Good luck, man. Yeah, we'll get
What is
the
that,
scissors.
football?
That's basketball.
Oh man, I'm hating now.
Yeah, you ain't buying this box.
I can't buy it. I can't afford it.
Don't be hating on Heath when he gets a.
Yeah, man, we got a pool.
Yeah, we got to get something nice.
That's
Go
like
with the
basketball.
judge.
Basketball's my favorite. Is this his Kobe?
No, that's mine. We're just trying to. We'll probably work a deal later, but yeah.
Man. Gotta get some blades down here. Usually scissors are rough, Nate, dog.
Let me get you. Did it open? What's that? Looks thick. No, I thought it was. Good luck, dude. I've got a razor blade back there, but it's orange.
Yeah, dude. I mean, I can't even chase it now. You got it.
What? The bone?
Judge?
Yeah.
Well, there wasn't no Ben Simmons on top.
So Ben Simmons would come on top.
Yep.
Bradley Beal, card number 1. Come on, dude. Is it Butler?
Little Jimmy Butler.
Butler's number 2.
Brandon Knight.
I'm always trying to look ahead. Big Wildcat.
That's a nice piece right there.
Buddy. Yeah, Buddy's good. Nate Archibald here. Let me. Okay, Parsons. Take a deep breath, boys.
All right, here we
About
go.
to pee.
Come on, let's have a little fire
Yeah.
in this thing.
Who is it? Z. He's popular here, but he don't.
He just went to the
Is it
Kings.
Penny? No. Who is it?
Harrison Barnes.
Ooh, there's something dirty in there.
It's pretty, but it's
Ooh, who is it?
just Prince.
Yeah, that's supposed to be. That's normally a better card. You know what I mean? Like, is it the last step? That's good. Torian Prince. Have you looked? We need to look and see what he brings like that. What's it number 2?
25.
It's one of them. Oh shit! Yeah, NT. Dude says, "Oh shit, NT." Yep. We're about to get cranked up, boys. So get ready.
All right, I'm good.
All right, we'll be back in a little bit. Y'all stay tuned.
Hey, we're about to do tier 1.
Okay, we got a tier 1 too.
Yeah.
All right, we're just gonna stay live, boys. We're gonna stay live. Did you pick one?
He's picking
All
up.
right. You gonna let Austin pick it?
I have the pick luck, bro.
All right. I'll do 125 for you, bro.
Basketball is my favorite sport.
Yeah, check it out. Here we go. We got Ruben here. It's Friday. I'm up here doing. Hey, tell Jaron there was a Jordan. I think I might have texted to him. There was a Jordan insert that came in. Hold on one second, Ruben.
All right.
I think it's in here. I may already send it to him. I know I was about to. There it is. Tell Jaron that came in a little while ago. All right. You nervous, Ruben?
I'm always nervous.
Ah. Come on, man. Bat barrel.
Bat barrel.
Your boy pulled the Conor McGregor one. What did it sell for?
Who?
Was it you that texted me?
I don't think so. Oh yeah, I texted you. Yeah, that was
like the
me.
Conor McGregor.
I don't know, man. I didn't know if he was coming to see you or not.
I never heard from him.
He asked me.
Here we go.
He asked me if you sold magnetics and everything.
Hold on, let's see how many cards you have. You got 3 cards. Come on, something sick. Hosmer's not bad. Come on, Ruben. Ooh, that's Price. He's good here. He's not real, you know. Yeah, we had a Connor 101, dude. Who is this?
Matt
Matt
Olson.
Olson. The price is cool. What's it number 2? 25?
25, 300, 331.
Yeah, Mike, his buddy hit the Conor McGregor. Was it Museum? It was Museum, right?
I don't know what it was.
I'm pretty
It was
sure it
laundry
was-
tag autograph.
It was the laundry tag Conor McGregor 101. Yeah, it was autoed. Yeah, it was disgusting. It was like we thought it was like a $1,500 to $2,000 card. Yeah, he pulled it out of I think he ordered it from Steel City, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, Steel City. Let me see that.
That's nice.
I know. Here's the price. Okay. So NT's down. We did a couple Bowman.
Hold up.
It's on eBay. Is that what you're asking? I don't know.
We're gonna do something.
There's Aaron Judge right there, boys. Only a grand slam. Which one?
That's gotta be our hashtag, only against.
Yeah, I know. People
Oh
get.
yeah. Get t-shirts.
All right.
Genius.
The Black Label. That's cool, man. Only a base card. We've got Bowman. We've got last year's finest. We got Bowman Draft. We've got a couple tier 1 left. Not many. We got another case of it behind there. So we have one case left.
Yeah.
Gypsy Queen.
Hey, grab a pack of them thick sleeves over there, boss.
Pack of thick sleeves. We'll be back here in a little bit.